Now, there is a point that's being made by some in the media, particularly I think it's from SABC News. There's a journalist there that says I have lied about the availability of medication. Here's the point. As a Department of Health, and we've been saying this since the beginning of financial year, which is April 2024, the allocation that were provided as a province is not sufficient to run everything that we need to do. And it is a call we have been making to both the Premier, Provincial Treasury, National Treasury, and recently we spoke to the President about it, that the Department of Health in KwaZulu-Natal is not funded in a manner that it should, and we are struggling financially. Now, what that means is that towards the end of last year, we had challenges of paying some service providers. That doesn't mean, though, that we didn't have medication. Remember, the issue of medication is not cash on delivery. We don't say to the manufacturers, give us medication, or we order medication and they say to us, we won't pay you until we won't deliver until you've paid. No, we order a stock for about 3 months, they deliver, and then we start talking to them about the 30 days, 60 days payment. So if we had not paid a particular service provider, it doesn't mean at that point we don't have medication, because the fact that we've not paid them, it means they had delivered something. So that says there is a medication. So we just wanted to deal with that matter and address it.